Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So tonight's video is about this new little motor I've been working on. This is a traction motor, so there's no magnets in this, it's just electromagnets. This is a rotor off some different experiments I did, and it's going to eventually be three-phase. So right now this is just one phase, and we have the optical timing on it, and then my MOSFET circuit. And so what's neat about this is this is the coil with the steel insert, and what I did is I drilled in it, and then it gets screwed onto here. So this bolt holds the coil on, and then one on the other. So you could actually just unscrew these coils and take them out, and they look like this. So each coil is 18 gauge, 160 turns. So this is in series, and yeah. So right now I'm just running at 24 volts. I'm going to be doing some more videos as I add more coils and get 3 circuits put on here. But this is just a big 6-inch Schedule 80 pipe that I cut down for this. And it's got this 8mm shaft with the 8mm mounted bearings. And yeah, so like in all my videos, I have the red and black as the input power. 24 volt battery, it's our 5 amp meter. And then every time this motor turns off, you get a flyback spike, and these diodes collect it, and then that 100 to 500 volts, depending on what you're doing, goes into this cap dump, and this basically condenses it down to amperage. And this one is set up to fire at 36 volts. So every time it gets to 36 volts, it's going to discharge into these batteries. They're put in series. This connection right here, and yeah, so let's just fire this up, and eventually, as I get more circuits on it, it'll be self-starting. But for right now, it's not self-starting. So there's 2 coils on there, and there'll eventually be 6. And we have the pulse width modulator hooked up. So this is 3% right now, and we're using half an amp, and then there's our output there, banging back at about 4 to 5 amps there. So let's just start bringing this up. The traction motors have a really unique sound. So we can bring it all the way up. So let's see what the RPMs are. So at 24 volts, we're about 1600 RPMs. And at full power, we're using 2.5 amps. So what's kind of neat is, as you load this up, it really doesn't use very much more than. So we just went up an amp by putting like a 50% load on that. And at full speed, here's our output and input. So as I slow it down, it still has plenty of output, so it actually starts going a little faster. And yeah, this thing's really powerful. You hear it. So yeah, pretty cool. So at full speed, this is our scope. So this is our output on the bottom. It's charging up the capacitor, so you can see it going up and down. And then each square is 10 volts, so 10, 20, 24. So yeah, pretty cool little guy. So I'll keep updating a new video as I get more circuits put on. But yeah, runs really smooth. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment. Don't forget to check out my store.